So hello guys, this is sdmonk and in this video I am going to show you two simple basic Linux commands, and this is the second tutorial. And as a gift, at the end of this video I will show one bonus command for you. So let's get started. So first of all guys, sorry because my virtualbox is not opening right now, so I am opening online compiler to compile our commands. But in your case you will open the Oracle VM VirtualBox, but I am opening Google Chrome. So the Google Chrome, and I will use onworks.net to start our Ubuntu. Click on the start button, and this will take some time, 20-second time, I think 18 17. You have to wait for some time, and 5 4 3 2 1, and guys then click on the enter button. You have to open VirtualBox, not this. I am opening this because my VirtualBox is not opening. So I am pausing this video here. So guys, I have opened my VirtualBox. That means the Ubuntu, not the VirtualBox. Actually, it is the Ubuntu. Your Ubuntu will be look like this, and on the last of this you have show application. You have to click on this, and after clicking this, it will open some application. You have to simply click on the tap to search button, and here search for terminal. Click enter, and the terminal will be open in a few seconds. So our first command is pwd. The first question come in your mind is, what is pwd? The answer will be, pwd displays the correct working directory of the terminal or the full path to the location. In my case, here home and then on works, but in your case it will be another thing. And the second command of this video will be our ls command. What is ls? I will tell. First of all, see the demo. ls shows the desktop, documents, downloads, music, picture, public, snap, templates, video. These are the things present in my Ubuntu. What is actually ls means? ls means, or ls gives all the files or folder present in the provided directory. In my case here, desktop, documents, download, music, etc, etc, etc. But in your case it's mostly same, but something will be changed, I think. Here snap, the snap might not show in your computer, but this will not affect anything. Okay, so these are the two commands. The first command you have to write in your copy or note down or save in your mind as pwd. Pwd is what? Pwd is a simple command which displays the current working directory of the terminal or the full path to the location. This is the main meaning of the, or the main function of the pwd command. I am again repeating the function of ls. What is ls, or what are the function of ls? ls gives all the file or folder present in the provided directory. And I told earlier that I will give one bonus command. So that bonus command is, you have to write cal as calendar, cal, and the current year or any year. I am writing 2022, and click on enter. Cal 2022 command not found. Okay, cal 2022. Click on enter, and this is the bonus command, guys, and this is the most interesting command, that this will show the full calendar of this year. And if you type here cal 2018, this will show you 2018 calendar. This is the 2018 calendar, guys. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So guys, this is the full calendar command, and this is the bonus command, guys. And I am making short video because you have to understand this topic very clearly. So guys, up to this is my video, and on the next video I will show more commands. So make sure to like, subscribe my channel. Looking forward to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching this video.